Ang daming stress sa mundo, pero eto hindi nakaka-stress. Imagine 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 balcony at carport. Lahat ng yan dito lang sa Montera Verde 2. Wala ka nang hahanapin pa, kumpleto na. Syempre may 3 bedrooms, ang highlight dito. At kung mahilig ka sa mga view, may balcony din. Perfect para sa spot mag-relax at mag-coffee date to yourself. At eto pa, may carport para sa sasakyan mo. Walang hassle sa parking at secured pa ang kotse mo.
This is the Montera Verde 2, located at Barangay Biga Tanza Cavite. It has 48 square meter lot area and 55 square meter floor area. Provision for 3 bedrooms with 2 toilet and bath, balcony and carport. This is the cheapest property here in Tanza Cavite. Hurry up, limited slots only.
So that's it for today's house tour. Hope marami kayong nakuha mga ideas for your own space. I'm Janice Madlambayan, your property specialist. If you have questions, feel free to message me and don't forget to like and follow. Thank you for watching. Bye!